How are you? I'm fine, and you? Hope are you good? And I am also good. Friend, today new USDT like USDT and the TRX mining platform on today. And this website link and provide you in description and how to create the account first. Then start to get income in this site. If you want to create an account first, then enter the email, login password, security password, invitation code to be get into Telegram code, and WhatsApp enter in this site, and then you need to be only one touch on the sign up now option of this side to be get the create the account virus in this side, and then you need to be into the all there for the email like the email and password, and the password details in this side. Click on the sign in now option of this side, and then you can see the freely bonus in your account should be get the receive in this side, and the announcement details in this side, and you can see the situation of the finance credit assets is the has to be shown now, and detail of the cumulative deposit in this side, and you can see the all tail of the cumulative deposit in this side to be get the receive your reward for to be detailed in this side, and friends I will show you the all tail of partner detail in this side, and the partner retail is to be called the partner for DX. What is the partner retail? You can be get the check. This is the all data Binance is to be decentralized in this side, and Tron and Coinbase address or crypto and the committees and the Vasigrics option of this side, and you can think the all data the about us now option on this side, and the potentially cost for every day is to be get a small amount of fund, and deficit staking, what is the deficit staking in this side, and a finance cryptocurrency is made by finance on this side. You get it, it's called the deficit staking option of this side, and I will show you the investment details in this side. And if you have invested for first plans to be get the receive the reward, you need to be only joined for the 10 USD or $10 in this side. You can make it up to 15% per day income in this side, and repay principal income in this side. You can be get the unlock to a lot of income for in this side, and friends, you can see the all detail of this side, and the unlimited reward in the principal amount of reward it is in this side principal to be the TRX, and to be the TRX dollars in this side. You can make unlock a lot of income in this side, and you can see the all detail of the principal details in this side. You can be check this. I will show you how to get the recharge and deposit in this side. For recharge, you need to be only one day to the recharge your option of this side. Then you need to be copy this address was in this side, and after you can copy this address was, and this address will be pasted like the trust wallet and a Binance or BNB Smart Sync contact address, and sending to be the USD out. After send USD, you need to be only one touch to the confirm the option of this side, and your HR will made in few seconds in your account, and you can change this after you can take this. You can be get upgrade the VAV once exactly, and now I will show you how to get the upgrade the and withdraw in details in this side. And click on to the withdraw now option of this side, and enter the security password address, and enter the quota amount in this side. Then click on to the withdraw now option of this side, and you can be get withdraw in detail in this side. And if you have one-to-one free income in this side, copy this invitation link, and this link will be based in like a WhatsApp group and like Telegram group, and you can be get unable to the lot of income in this side, and you can think the whole deal of the reward details in this side, and you can think the transfers to be detailed and non-common problem, and the mining details in this side, and from this website later the USDT or like USDT earning preference of listeners, and this my video has been completed. Subscribe my channel and click on bell icon and goodbye and bye bye.